So here's where we get our first area of a circle question, and it's actually of a half circle, semicircle. So you want to be careful and make sure that you looked at that. It says Elliot needs to replace a window that is in the shape of a semicircle. So they give it to us right there. It's not going to be a full circle. We're going to have to divide by 2 at the end. What is the area of the window? Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth of a square foot. And most students were okay at this part. I think where we had some confusion or maybe some missteps was in making sure that we solve for a semicircle. So when we look at area of a circle, remember area is going to equal, we need pi r squared. So pi, we need, that's not a very good pi, but at any rate, pi r and then squared. So we need the radius. And they actually give us the radius. It's a 1.5. So we're going to have to work in decimals. So the first thing you do, area equals pi, which we're going to say is 3.14. The radius, which is 1.5. And we've got to square it. So we need to do 1.5 times 1.5 to kick off this little thing here. And if you do that, you got multiplication with decimals, you should get 2 and 25 hundredths. 2.25 is what we're going to work with. So we have that. And then we need to go through and kind of continue what we're doing. After we have that, didn't mean to erase that out, sorry. After we have that, we need to go in, if we have 2.25, and multiply it by 3.14 times 2.25. And again, multiplication with decimals here, making sure that we've got things lined up, making sure also that you move your decimal back the right number of places. I'm not going to do it out here, but I know, having worked it out right before I started the video here, that you get something like this, 7.06, 7.0, you could even round that to 7.07, but that's what you should get. Now, some people stop there because that is actually good work, but that would be the area of the full circle right here. And we know we're doing only the semicircle. So we need to come in and get rid of half of it like that, which means we need to take 7.07 and cut it in half, divide by 2, or 7.065, whatever you can put in there, either one will get you that. But when you divide by 2, you should get it's kind of a long answer, 3.532. But it says round your answer to the nearest hundredth, and basically 3.53. Hundredth is the second decimal point, so 3.53 feet squared is going to be the best answer for the area of that semicircle, making sure you solve for a half circle there.